The Lexus LFA Concept was recently unveiled in Japan, introducing the next generation of the LFA designation. This concept vehicle is distinct from its V10-powered predecessor and features an entirely electric powertrain. Despite initial speculation that the next LFA would be a Lexus version of the Toyota GR GT, the LFA Concept represents a separate, all-electric direction. Lexus has confirmed that the LFA name now symbolizes advancing technology and is not exclusive to internal combustion engines. The LFA Concept is structurally related to the Toyota GR GT and GR GT3, as it is built upon the same all-aluminum platform. However, Lexus chose the electric setup, opting against using the twin-turbo V8 engine found in the Toyota model. Details regarding the electric powertrain's specific output and performance figures have not yet been released by Lexus. The concept, which previously appeared as the Lexus Sport Concept, is expected to transition into production as the second-generation Lexus LFA.